Archie, you want to try a piece of ice? Want some ice? What is that? Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? What is that? Ice? What is that? It's cold. It's cold. What is that? You like it? You like it? Is it nice? Ice is nice. Is that a nice treat? It's slippery. It's slippery. You gotta hold it. Careful you don't get an ice cream headache. It's only a few days since Archie had his first piece of ice, and then we get what the news proclaimed was going to be one of the most devastating snow, ice, and sleet storms in years. And of course they hyped it, oversold it. It isn't near as bad as what they were predicting. But Archie thinks that it is his personal snow cone machine. He loves coming out here and just chewing on chunks of ice. There he goes. He found a good piece now. Nice big flat sheet of ice. It's day 2 of the ice storm. It's 13 degrees outside right now, and Archie is still enjoying it.